Hi guys, a beautiful video on difference between classification and clustering. Are you observing how beautifully it is representing actually? Let me play once again. Okay, you can see. So it's a mix of different animal and bird. You can see. So we have goat, a hen, a rabbit, I think pigeon. Okay, then sheep and are you observing? Coming to classification, each and every category is separated. For example, all the pigeons are belongs to one category, then goat, then hen, then sheep, then rabbit, then some other birds and all. But if I play the clustering, let me go forward. Yeah, coming to clustering, I have observed two different cluster, but this cluster is between birds and animal. You can see one cluster contains all type of birds. So here it contains pigeon, let's say hen, and some other kind of birds and all. And in the cluster B or second cluster, it contains all the animal like goat, sheep, rabbit, and all. Try to see one more time. I'm playing. Okay.